football without a kick. At this point there's nothing more. Football is the role. Triples and kicks all the way. I practice my skills every day. On the field I play my tricks. Football is what we need to breathe. Without it all, we are incomplete. It's nice to see all the big crowds. We feel strong when you all cheer out loud. We will win some, we will lose some. We will win some, we will lose some. Keep your hands on your heart and it's a better life next time. You're the only spot we follow. Everything to this moment rings hollow. I'm gonna do what to defeat. In this league be the toughest to beat. Whether to watch, whether to play, in go on football runs every day.